Yeah, so my name's Cory Ryan. I've lived here in Grand Bay-Westfield for close to 20 years now. In the current house, about 15. And myself, my wife and I are both pharmacists in the area and have 3 teenagers. Yeah. We've really been running 100% off solar. Our power bills have been really just the cost of reading the meter and the hot water heater. Our power bill really looks at about 60 to 70 bucks a month right now. And prior to that, we, with the given 10% that was recently on, we would be over probably $350 a month. Very well satisfied. We've had no maintenance issues. Our roof is really quite sloped, so the snow comes off very easily in the wintertime as well. We've been up and running for about a year or so now. This year will be the real telltale for us, as we've been up and running over the whole summer period. So we'll understand better this winter of how we banked power. The ability to do more greener source of energy, and just the increase as we go forward with power rates as they continue to increase across the country. Solar is very responsive and quick to respond to our question via email about solar panel and to come up with a design very quickly. Installation went very smooth. We had a really good set of installers and electrician, very well experienced in installing solar panels. And they when they showed up on site, they re-looked at the house, just redesigned the plan, talked to engineers, and fixed the plan really quick to fit the needs of our house in the way it is based with the sun. I've had no issues since the panels have been installed, zero. Yeah, environmental conditions were, we have 3 teenagers and just looking at going forward of how they're going to live in the future, we have to switch to more greener sources of energy. I would recommend solar panels to others. We all know that power companies are struggling in producing power. Energy rates are going up, and the only way to combat that is put something like solar panels on that you have a fixed cost and the cost is done. As well, you look at the resale value of the house going forward. If you do sell your house in the future, potential buyers, have essentially free power. SolarEdge has been really responsive and effective at providing a service for solar panels that was a really quick, responsive company.